At the moment, Arabic subtitles is available for this video, and you can find it by going to settings and switching the subtitles from English to Arabic. And there you go, you will start seeing the Arabic subtitles.
At the moment we have an exhibition of haiku, a form of poem, and we have an exhibition wall right here, but here is also one extra room for the exhibition, so I can try and show you. I'm not sure it's open. It's too dark. So yeah. So there is an extra room. Maybe you can go in there after 11 o'clock.
So once you get into the L2, to the music department, and go to the right hand side, you will see the exhibition room. And this is changing all the time. But for today we found one event. It seems very interesting. Make sure not to go inside with any drinks or food. So let's get in and have a look. We are now in the Chamber of Secrets, the exhibition room, and we will have a look. So it seems like a little bit of writing and some artistic work. It's really beautiful. Maybe we can ask somebody here. I mean, there's a lovely lady. Hi.
Hi.
Can we ask you what this is?
Yeah.
If you know about it. I mean, I have seen it's called haiku.
Yes.
But if you have any idea about this, you can tell us.
Well, I don't know that much, but I know haiku are kind of Asian poems. I don't really know if they're Chinese or Japanese, or maybe they're in both cultures. But the thing is, the special thing about haiku, that they're made in as few words as possible, or I'm not quite sure, maybe it's one sentence or something. I don't really know the rules, but there are some rules.
Yeah.
And the magic is some of them are really like deep and make a good feeling.
Yeah.
And some some are more funny and have like two meanings and stuff. So
have you seen anything interesting? Because I see drawings and I see words. Wow, the little books are really lovely.
Yeah, I think a lot. It depends on your taste, But what I love here, actually, it's the first time that I see it like this too, is that they write the poems in the books, but it's more like artwork. Less than writing a book. It's like really they've done an artwork on every thing.
I never imagined that the poetry will go even further, but I see it is going further.
Yes. Some of them are also, I saw one, wait, what was it? One was saying non-verbal haiku, and there was only the picture. And it's also funny.
Innovation. What is this there?
Ein Traum der Dürre Heide. I think you have to read it in the whole, because it's in the only from the middle of the. Normally you're supposed to read the book.
Oh.
So it says: Vom Wandern schwer krank, ein Traum der Dürre Heide im Kreis durchirrt. You were hiking and you got very sick.
Yeah.
So you're sick from hiking. A dream in the waste grassland in a circle is spinning.
yeah.
But some of them are also really funny. Like
Yeah.
for example, I want to show you the one here. So this one, I think this is my favorite one. It says, bist du recht freundlich, werden sie auf dich scheißen, die Spatzenkinder. Are you quite friendly? They will shit on you. The children of the small bird.
Yeah.
So
It's like a little bit ironic. So,
yeah, it's like
let them shit on you and see how friendly you are. So
Hey there, little fella. Mr. Fuzzy Man, how you doing? Oh. Ew. Oh. Ew. Gross. Idiot! Stupid little fuzzy yellow creature!
well, the one side is if you're friendly, they will shit on you. So it's a bit ironic, like you said. It's, it doesn't help if you're friendly. You will be friendly, and then they will shit on you, and you will say, well, thanks.
despite friendliness.
Thanks for responding. And the other thing is, well, they're birds, so it's actually the nature. When you're friendly and you come and you give them some food, of course they will also shit because they're birds. So the other side is like, just nature.
It's nature. It's like you will be screwed.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So yeah, that's I don't know. I think it's fine.
Maybe we should find the one who wrote this and figure out what he was.
what he was thinking. Yeah.
Quick! What are you quacking about? Dumb Donald Dodo!
But you see, it's really interesting. I mean, coming to the library is not just for studying and looking for something specific. You can enlighten yourself with new stuff. So I have never knew that there's such kind of poetry. This is new for me, and I really like it. And we met a new friend, so that's something. The exhibition room is only available in the L2 department of the music, but the exhibition room could show anything other than music. It's not just music, old books or also historical books, any other stuff. So whenever also you are in this library, make sure you visit this one because it's brilliant.